Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional, in the Sunday edition. Yes, in the weekend edition of Saturday, July the 1st, 2023, and it's actually today Sunday. Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. It's the additional. For the Sunday, I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 6690. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's get started. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this second row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. We have 3 1s here in this column. If I place number 4 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be a 1. This should be an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. We have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright. We solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today in this additional. And later on in the evening, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. So see you in a minute. Until then, bye-bye for now.